In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add any video, click on it here. If you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it as well. To add an audio file, select this plus icon instead. Click on Files and look for your audio one by choosing one of those apps, selecting Audio at the top, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, you need to hold your file and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!